Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for the upcoming week for Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday, you guys, the 23rd of September 2024, uKwenzo causes his loved ones to worry so much that uNomalanga runs to an unexpected source for help. As the Imbeleko approaches, uNomfundo needs more and more reassurance. Remember guys, the last episode, uKwenzo found out that Vusi actually knew about uNomalanga's secrets all along, so maybe he runs off or something like that. But uNomalanga, the unexpected source that I think she might be looking for help from should be uSibongile, because Sibongile at this point is the only person that can get a hold or speak to uKwenzo on that level. Then Tuesday, the 24th of September 2024, needing answers, uPhetheni confronts uVusi and uGcina. And I think it's pertaining indaba kaKwenzo of how can uVusi really keep something like that from his brother. Meanwhile, uNomalanga asks for uSibongile's forgiveness and help uSibongile and uKwenzo reconnect. uNomalanga, I don't know if it's sincere when she's asking for forgiveness, because it just sounds to me every time she needs help from uSibongile, then she wants to act all nice. But I'm just like, can you just ask for forgiveness without needing help from uSibongile herself? uSibongile and uKwenzo, guys, indaba yabo, like, we just know, like, they just always end up in one another's arms. And then on Wednesday, the 25th of September 2024, uKwenzo has a meltdown at Themba's Imbeleko and attacks uVusi. Vuma gives some care with Deliwe's shop. He lends her the shop to make some money to survive. I don't even get why would Ubabu Vuma do something like that, whereas Uvelepi is working at that shop, yet she doesn't want it, or that's not her dream job, but she's making money out of that shop, and her brother as well, Usangweni, is helping as well. So I don't see where Babu Vuma, like, why you would think it's fine to gift Usamke that shop. But anyway, that's his thing. That's going to be an interesting thing to see Velepi, how is she going to receive that. I think even besides the teasers of this upcoming week, you guys, Uvelepi is another one we should be looking forward to, because remember, Uvelepi decided to leave with a man who apparently says it's or he's her father, but it looks like there is some trafficking syndicate and don't that's going to be happening there, guys. Anyway, we'll see this week. Tell me what you think about this teaser. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.